Finally.
About time, right? Are we chugging it, or are we just gonna sip it? Because people want chugging. Chug, 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 chug,
I
chug.
guess we're chugging. Put my electronics away from.
Yeah. Slaughter. Whatever you do, do not just that way.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Let's not mark this. Okay, ready?
No, because I can't look it.
Oh God! I already have one. Keep going.
Nope.
Ooh. Oh my God, that's so gross. Oh my God. Keep going. You gotta
That's
check.
embarrassing.
You're telling me. My stomach can't take this, bro.
So juicy coming up. I didn't think about this. Did you see that? What is it? Hold that, but they don't want it.
They won't.
It's down here.
I'm crying, bruh. I'm crying. Oh my God, that was really bad. Don't do that. You want me to spit? Oh my God,
Don't do that.
Don't do that. Yeah. One good one.
Did we need to
I'm
do
all
this at your
done.
party? Because we have.
The one I just had. You said do this.
Good we didn't do this at your party because then we had to pee.
Oh my gosh. I'm done with mine.
We had to go to a gas station to use the restroom.
Because my house is ghetto. Not this house.
The other house.
I have another house. And we're currently fixing it. And it's ghetto. And we had a party there. It was supposed to be a bonfire, but that didn't go so well because it's rain. I still don't have to burp. Like, oh. I wonder if this will make me hyper. So we chugged. I chugged. That's what we got. Wait. I like our face expressions when we do. We're like so concentrated.
It's like pizza.
My face. I go like this. Go. Look at my neck. Looks so weird. It's 1:17 in the morning. Forever, no. Shut.
I don't know how people do shots. First of all, it burns your throat, probably.
Yeah. That's the way. I like it. I shouldn't be singing. This is going on. Yeah.
still not done. Oh my god.
I need another one. Done? One shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. Yeah. You need music, bruh. Hey, let's put little creatures in our thing. Yeah.
Little fruit.
Bro. Just keeps me entertained. One shot, 2 shot. I need to get that song stuck at my head. Go, 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 go. Hey! Are we done?
We can pause it.
You are now paused.
We're probably still at Waffle House.
Steak and Shake. Where are they going to sit?
Steak and Shake is open for forever.
Till like early in the wee morning.
Look what we got.
Yay, chicken gas! Are you done?
Yeah.
Yeah, they can be blood buddies now. Oh, they don't see that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, we're done.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. Shot 2, shot 3, shot 4. I'm putting them on pod. Off pod! Wow, that was a quick second, wasn't it? I think I put off. Yeah, I put off. Did you ever text her back?
Yeah.
What's her face?
Caleb?
Sure, just say her name out loud.
I said, did he tell you not to tell him? He's like, no, he just said, she's like, no, I'll just call you tomorrow, and,
I'll just call you tomorrow because I really want to talk about it. You're off the screen, you know that, right?
I know, but I'm not in it. But I mean, it's not on.
Yes, it is.
Oh. I was like, well, okay, well, Anna told me that he was. And she's like, oh, really? Are they friends again? I was like, I do care. Doesn't matter if they are.
It doesn't matter. So, we're putting pictures up on Facebook of our party.
Our Facebook.
That's what I said, our Facebook. Did I say my Facebook?
We don't have a Facebook.
Yes, we do.
Of course.
We have a Facebook. But you won't be adding our personal Facebook. Sorry about that. Friends only. But we do have a Facebook for the both of us for our YouTube, I guess. Because we're just that bored and random. And yeah. So we'll be uploading those, some of them at least, and hopefully a new profile picture because we only have one.
Yeah.
Didn't you get to see some of our friends that are...
I may look like a fat ass to you, but I haven't eaten all day.
Oh, we haven't literally eaten since, like, we're starved. Okay. So, I mean, we'll upload a couple of them, right?
Yeah.
So, I think you guys should add us on Facebook. We'll have our link up on the description. Down there somewhere. And then if you go to our channel, that'll be up on there too. It's already there. And subscribe! Please subscribe!
Yeah. We'll give you a chip if you do.
Okay, this is supposed to be a burping one, and this is just going on for something else. Okay, so this is our burping video, our chugging one. We'll probably put a couple more up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, bye!